Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Code with Italians. Today is a very thoroughly unprepared stream. We were supposed to have a guest, but they preferred to postpone, and we didn't have time to prepare anything specifically. So, what we're doing today is we're actually going to pick up the app that we were working on last time we didn't have a guest, and we're going to make it not suck for some definition of that. I mean, there is a clue in the fact that we have a function that is called this should really be on a background thread.
Yeah,
So I think that sounds like a good
we don't
starting
we,
point.
we we don't like Jira tickets. We actually just put the documentation in the code, right? So
Yes,
the project management in the code.
exactly,
Why
indeed.
would you use a to do when you can actually name in a shameful way
You know what
name
they
the method?
say, documentation always gets out of date, but method names don't.
Yeah, that stay forever. Okay. So
Exactly. So, first of all, do you want to do the event thing and then we can
yes.
get started?
Yes. So I want to thank you, everybody, for the support. I want to remind you that you can support us for free if you have an Amazon Prime subscription. You can just connect it to your Twitch account and you can subscribe with the toggle in the app that says subscribe for free with Amazon Prime. If you want to buy our swag or try to win our swag, keep an eye on the giveaways or on our coffee page where you can get, the stickers that we have. And we also have metal pins, and also we have the t-shirts and the hoodies and the hats on our merch store. So thank you everybody for the support. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're watching this live with us, please enjoy the chat, and you can also spend your. Thank you, Mark, for the subscription. You can also spend your Italian points to mess with our code. You just look at the rewards that you have. And yeah, this is it. I think we can start. So, as a quick recap, Sebastiano, for
So,
me,
as a
for
quick
me,
recap for people that weren't there
or
or
people
don't
that are old
remember
enough, old
or
enough to
are
not remember.
us.
Yes. So the project started a few months ago with the idea of resharing a link, URI or URL, um, to actually increase the privacy of your browser experience, removing JavaScript. And we were pretty much forwarding the link that you were sharing with the app with 12 feet ladder, right? That it's a free it's a free tool online that does exactly that. It removes the JavaScript from the page that you want to load. Then we had another iteration. Once we figured out how to share things toward our app, Sebastiano wanted to build an image resharer app that will allow us to load an image from a picture from the gallery, strip out the location data, sensitive EXIF data, and then share it again. And that's pretty much where we are, right?
Yep, as far as I remember, yes. So, uh, the image
So
thing, well, let me actually show you my screen. So, what we have right now is we have this button here and we can click it, and that allows us, that shows the image picker, I think. And we can select an image, and now it can be reshared with all the tags stripped. Like there is no location. Shut up. I hate this. Okay. So yeah, and we had made a test
you
of
hate privacy, Sebastian?
setting the model tag to pizza and the artist to Ivan. So now we can confirm that it's still happening. The one thing we didn't need to do was to remove everything else. That was because by nature of sharing or actually picking the image, what we get back is a URI. And if we get a URI and load the image through that, then the image will already be stripped of the sensitive metadata. There is
Yeah,
still some, because you can
yeah, but
see like
the
the capture
location ones.
time,
Yeah.
the camera maker, the software that created the image, and then like exposure, time, aperture, whatever, blah blah blah. All
Yeah, I
that
mean,
stuff is still there.
it looks like you have a lot of the data related to the picture itself. Like,
Yeah,
if it was, were you using the flash, were you using
yeah.
exposure, whatever. But things like location that can be considered sensitive information, they are removed by default.
Yeah. If we
So we
wanted
got
to
we got
remove all the
lucky.
rest, we could also do that. But right now there is uh,
No, I mean,
we're not doing that.
yeah, but it's
We
no
could,
really.
we
Yeah, we
could,
could. I mean,
we
you
could.
just need to iterate on a bunch of those set attributes, and eventually you will get rid of everything that you want.
Thank you for the
Um,
follow. Yeah. So the I laugh at my own jokes from 2 months ago. Um, what
Fair enough.
I wanted to start from is that right now we have this remember launcher for activity result to pick the uh, fuck off
Hmm?
spam
Ciao.
spam spam. That was a follow. That was an immediate spam, and so
Uh,
it's an immediate ban. Nice.
that's
Um,
a that's a
so
bummer.
yeah, what I was saying is we have this essentially whenever the image is picked, then we get a URI back, and then we need to load the image. And what we're doing right now is on the UI thread, like the savages we are, we are
No, it's called.
reading all the input stream bytes, and we are writing them to a file, because if you remember, the EXIF interface for some bloody reason only works on files. It doesn't
Mhm.
work in memory because reasons.
Okay,
Uh,
maybe it's performance, right? I mean, if you have
sure,
a
I'm
large
100% sure. Yeah, sure. And then we are essentially putting that back into an output stream for a URI that we have created to contain the new image, and then we're sharing the image so the next app can access it. Now, there's, I think, two things that we need to do. One is make this activity be able to receive an image instead of
yeah,
pick it. And the other thing is make this activity uh, do work in the background instead of doing it on the UI thread,
yeah, fair enough.
because it doesn't look like it, but there is a limit. I do have a sense of shame.
No, but I mean, even the formatting is disturbing me at some point. What's going on line 35, right? That else is giving me PTSD. But you know,
Better.
yeah, kind of. Okay, but
I mean, that's correct.
no, that's perfect. But
So
jokes aside, the first thing that we can do is try to run this off the main thread. We Sebastiano was suggesting like an intent service, and I call him Fancy Seb because that's what he deserves. Um, I hope you feel better. So yeah, Maya, thank you. I came back with some sort of cold from holidays, and that's what you learn, kids. Never
don't.
stop, never stop working. The moment you go on holidays, your routine breaks. You meet other people, and they can infect you. So
Stay at home.
Stay at home and
Work all the time.
work and produce and learn, never chill. So jokes aside, the first thing that I would probably do, just let's try to throw it in a suspend function or something. I mean, it's the bare minimum that we can do, right? And maybe you can run it on. Can you run it with like a with context IO of sort?
So,
Yeah,
well, the first obvious thing is that the I don't remember. Oh yeah, that's the way to launch it.
yeah.
Okay.
This is compose.
So yeah. But what you need to do is have like a var image URI. Or actually, that's probably wrong.
What do you want to do? Launch effect? Something like that? I mean,
No.
can we
What I
just
was
launch?
thinking about. Okay, so let me extract everything first of all into its own function. Why doesn't it extract? Control Alt M. That's what
What are
I'm
you
doing.
extracting? I think the selection is wrong.
Huh? No, it's correct.
Ah, wow. Okay, me. Sorry.
So if I do, why doesn't it? Sorry, as something is fucking up stealing my shortcuts. Why doesn't it?
What version?
Control Alt M doesn't seem to do anything.
Okay.
Like it's something else in the system is stealing that, which is weird.
Okay.
I don't
But
know what that would be.
uh,
Okay, fine.
anyway,
No keyboard shortcuts for Seb.
right, let's do. I mean, as long as find action works, that's you're safe.
Okay, so this is main content. Okay. Why does it?
Why did he extract it like that?
I don't know. I'm very
And,
confused.
why is
Uh,
sustained, by the way?
uh, because it's calling suspend in here, I guess. I don't know.
Whatever. Okay.
Anyway. So one thing that we probably want to do is because we might be receiving the URL from somewhere. I think we want to store that like at the activity level. Yeah, Mark, I broke the keyboard shortcuts. I don't know. It's just that's my life.
Oh, what?
So I'm gonna create a mutable state of URI. Uh, starting with null.
Fair enough.
Actually gonna call it something more sensible.
Because nobody's paying for shitty names.
Yeah, exactly. Paying, but then paying.
Buying with the Italian credit. Um,
So
so
what we want to do is we want to also have like here val URI by member. Is that the right thing to do? Probably not.
what do you want to do? Walk me through it because
I just want to have this here in a simple way because then I can dismiss that. What the fuck was that? Windows, what the fuck is wrong with you? God knows. God knows. So I want to
nice.
pass the
Thank you,
URI in
Mark.
here.
Okay.
Um,
About which one? So the first one is null.
yeah.
So
So we need to add this parameter and
yeah,
also probably make this
lambda.
like an on
Yeah,
URI
or
picked,
new picked or new or something. Yeah, because you need to throw
something
it
like
back.
this. So this would be
Just
on
thrown
URI
back.
picked, and then we pass in the shall we call it new URI?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have that.
Where are you using the one that you feed it? You don't use it yet.
I'm not using
Okay.
it yet.
Okay.
I'm even trying to figure out whether we need to use it to begin with. We
Okay.
possibly don't. We probably don't. I don't remember how to do Android apparently.
Yagni. Don't if you don't know how to use it, don't put it there. I mean, it's always nice. Oh yeah. We actually needed it, right? So,
I'm just gonna do.
what do you want to do?
I want the ID to stop being a hindrance for once.
Okay. So which version are you using? Koala nightly build again?
It's not a nightly. The problem is I'm on Windows and I keep using the macOS shortcuts because that's what I work on most of the time, and that
Okay.
makes it 10 times as hard to do anything.
Fair enough. Okay,
So let's say we don't need that. We only need to know when someone has picked the like a new URI.
I got
So that's what we were doing, because then we need to also know whenever this changes. Yeah, it's probably we probably want to have like a state flow instead of that, but we'll see. We can change it later. It's fairly easy, because the idea is we can either have the user picking an image, or we might get the new intent. So if we see how we had done it, it's like on new intent, and then you have handle intent, and then you extract shit from it. So we're gonna do pretty much the same thing here, whereas obviously we don't need to finish the activity here, but we need to make sure that there is a not a URL, but no, was that intent.data? I think it was. So we get intent.data. Yes. Okay. Sure. So what I want is I want to get the data from the intent that I get and set the current URI, like change the current URI whenever we get an intent that tells us, hey, show this. Well, actually, oh, hey, pick this. So this would be current URI dot value equals intent dot data. Okay, I mean, we can even inline it. It's easy enough. Okay, so that's fine. What we need to do is we need to move the processing.
We are not processing this anymore.
Yes, we need to move this to another thread, or another dispatcher in this case. So maybe what's worth doing here is, instead of having a mutable state, well, I mean, there is no
mutable state
snapshot flow.
What now?
I think, is that a thing? I think it is. It is
Snapshot flow. Okay, but on what?
On a state, I think.
Oof. Okay.
Don't get me started.
No, I think you can't.
Fuck off.
This is.
I'm not sure why it's not downloading the. Let me see. Why is it not downloading the sources? Because it is set to, but for some reason it hasn't. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so essentially snapshot flow. Actually, let me open Firefox.
Oh.
Shut up.
I like the animation though.
Yeah.
Snapshot flow.
It was also at the wrong time.
Side effect in Compose.
Yeah, so essentially what you can do is this.
Compose state into flows. Okay. So you need to pass in the.
Okay, that's how it works.
You need to pass in the state.
So that'd be snapshot flow. Can
Why
I
isn't? Yeah, it's just the import.
import? Okay, and then this would be
Current.
current URI.
That's it, because you need the state, right?
Yeah, I'm just saying this is a flow, and
Is
it's
never used.
a flow of mutable state of URI. That's annoying.
No, should be
That should be value, I guess. And now
check the documentation, because
it's a flow of URI.
Okay, so are we trusting this? Okay.
So we have a flow, and now what we can do is on each. Actually, we can do filter not null,
just to be.
and then on each we do the processing, I guess. So
that was this should.
Okay.
Okay. On another thread.
I mean, it's not really right now.
No,
because
but I think we can do like a with context or something. I mean, launching.
How do you? I don't know how to create a scope.
No, but I usually do it on the function itself.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, you're in an activity, so you already have the scope. There is the life cycle scope already there, so you don't need to create it.
Okay.
That's free.
Yeah, I guess this works. Although this would get interrupted if the user sends
closes
the activity to the backup.
If they close the app, this shuts down. But it should. I mean, we are not building a service. We can put a progress bar there and say, please don't close the app. I don't know.
Yeah, or we could have a service, but fine.
Come on, okay. let's do a service. I have never done that in like probably in 10 years, whatever. No, probably 10 years, no. But
I know, but how do you get a scope that survives otherwise?
Global, because I'm a savage. I mean, can you do global launch? I mean, you can do a global launch, right? But that's the application. Yeah. Look at that. You get also a nice warning. Delicate API. I like that. I like how gentle they are. It's a delicate API instead of what the fuck are you doing, man?
Yep. Indeed. But let's keep it as this for now, just to make sure that we're doing things right.
Let's make it work, and then.
Yep.
So but this is running on.
Now this is running on whatever.
Yeah.
So what I wanted to do is just to prove that we can. I wanted to do like a log the current thread.
Yeah. Because this should run on main, right?
Should.
I don't know snapshot flow what's doing, but I think
it's not doing anything magic.
Yeah, that's.
Is that name? Let's see. So this should work? Question mark?
I like the confidence. Well, you don't even need the suspend function, but we need a with context there, because otherwise.
Yes, we will.
It's a tiny button. Okay.
Logcat.
Oof.
Yeah, thread is main.
Main. Okay, that's fair.
It does what we expected it to do. Okay, fine. Okay. Now we probably need to do two things. One is flow on. Sorry. Dispatchers dot default.
Default.
So this works on the default dispatcher by default, but then we surround the IO parts with context.
Ah, okay. So you don't want to do the whole function? You just do this part?
Eh,
Okay.
yeah, because dispatcher's IO works on a like dispatcher's default is it can do as much work as you want as the
Yeah,
CPU
yeah,
can do.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
But dispatcher's IO is a it works on a limited thread pool.
Ah, okay.
And IO is blocking, so every IO operation you do happens on a on one of those threads. And if you have too many IO things running for too much time all at the same time, you
Make it
will
slower.
exhaust the thread pool and you get into a deadlock.
Okay.
So you should only use IO around the parts that need it and not
Okay.
around everything. Now, in this case, it doesn't make a difference because it doesn't matter.
And
Um,
this is the right is probably what we also want, right? I'm
yes,
imagining is a IO operation sort.
yes.
Right,
I
the fucking
don't
auto stream.
know if, I mean, I think this also does IO because I'm passing in a file
Get absolute path.
in it for file name.
Get
Yeah,
new
it
input
does
stream.
read a
Yeah,
file.
yeah. Get file descriptor.
Yeah. So I guess what we really want to do is to move all these things in there and just have metadata as the result of the IO operation.
Okay, fair enough.
And just return this, and this is
Image bytes.
image bytes. Okay.
So what else do we do now? After that, we put some
We
value.
do
We
we
insert,
set the attributes, whatever. And then I
and
think
then there
because
is
this also throws IO exception, yep, indeed, this also
yeah.
does. It creates a temp file.
Jesus. Okay.
God damn it. It
Yeah,
creates a temp file, it writes
Mark
shit
is
to it,
insisting. It's
blah, blah,
reminding us
blah.
that
I
we
still owe
need
you a variable name. Sure, Mark. What is the variable name?
naming is hard.
Was it?
Yes, it's
Oh, this
is
one.
there.
Okay, sure. It's gonna be this one because it's the last one I created. There you go. Okay.
Yeah, but now we have an error because we don't. Yeah, but this is only input output, and plus we don't have file anymore.
I mean, the file is not a problem. I can
Move
just
it
move
out.
this up because this
Okay.
doesn't like creating a file doesn't actually do anything in terms of IO, so that's fine. What I need to do though is to
Save attributes.
yeah, with context dispatchers.io. Uh,
Bastiano,
yeah,
you should be injecting the dispatcher.
I should. I know I should, but I don't give a
Yeah, but
shit.
we are also
We're not
running
testing
everything.
this, so it's
We are
fine.
also running everything in the picker activity, so that's really I really couldn't care less. Okay.
Actually, I wanted to do. I wanted to go back in here and check 1 second this one, because this was doing some create temp file. Oh no, it was this. Oh, where the fuck is it? This one. This was creating a temp file. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing, just so that we. There you go. No, it's fine.
uh,
It's fine.
Possibly blocking wrap with context. That's thank you.
Sure.
I mean, look at that. That's nice.
Yep. So now we have two consecutive
I mean,
with
I
contexts.
wish we had somebody that we can talk about lint, error, and suggestions, right?
Yeah,
If
if only. Um,
only.
so I guess, I mean, because we have two consecutive
Oh no,
blocks,
something
I
broke.
think it makes little sense. So I'm just going to do this.
Is missing
I just need
graph.
to return the file here. And we have the file at the top level. And then what have I? fucked up.
There was a missing. I think
Metadata.
there is a missing curly brackets or something. Or you
No.
you lost
The
you lost
problem
the
is
meta. Yeah,
this, and then I need to do this. Okay, that's fine.
I like the formatting.
Now it's better. Okay, and I obviously don't need to do this anymore. And then I return the my itsy bitsy temp file. I don't know why it's complaining. Why are you complaining? You don't like it?
A typo.
Save. Save. Yes.
Yes.
Those are real words.
Yeah, I mean,
For
what
real
is real?
people.
What is real, Sebastiano? What is real?
Okay, it's fine.
No, I mean,
So now we're
129.
doing
Let
all the
me.
reading and the manipulation here. That's fine. Technically, this could be done in like a
Default?
with context dispatchers.default, because this is all doing it on the CPU.
Is
There
it
is
jumping back and forth, like slowing us down? I don't know. And how does it work?
not really. I mean, it was
Okay.
working fine on the UI thread.
No, I mean from a Kotlin coroutine point of view.
Not really. It's just a suspension point.
Okay.
So it's just it will suspend this until it's done. I am just doing this for the reason that we might want to extract this later and do get rid of all the rest of the
Oh yeah,
metadata,
the
because I don't
okay.
know if we get stuff shared to as a file necessarily how
Yeah,
that
I don't.
works.
I don't really know what we get.
Yeah,
So
I'm not sure, so I'm just preparing here in case we need to actually remove
more
the
stuff.
metadata by ourselves. Um, does this? I think this is interprocess, so it doesn't need to be anywhere else.
Yeah, this goes
This one though does, because
open output
it's
stream.
it's
Yeah, it's
writing shit to it, so it's definitely
pretty much. I actually don't remember why there is a double bang there. Just because YOLO, or is something that we didn't want to address?
I don't know.
Output stream.
Null if the
If the
provider recently
provider recently
crashed.
crashed,
Ah,
Jesus. I mean,
fuck it.
defined recently.
In the past month?
Yeah, I mean, because back in my day, the content resolver crashed. So Jesus Christ, I hate
Doesn't
this.
do it anymore. It's fine.
I work with documentation. I hate this shit. Anyway, oh, should we run it? Do you want to print things?
I'm just checking if there is anything else we need to do, but I think we are fine.
Singles in your area. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh man.
Okay, so it's still showing shit. Wait. It's not that I don't trust it, but I don't fully trust it.
I mean, it works every time about 60% of the time, right?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay, looks
it's
good.
done shit.
It's also faster. I mean, did you see?
Pew 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 pew. Yeah.
Super
It
fast.
looks fine. Yeah, it looks like it works.
I like the camera model. I really like it.
Pizza?
Pizza camera. Pizza shot. Image description. Yeah. I mean, why not? Save it.
Yes.
Also goes back. Ooh, fancy.
Done. It's done. Okay, so I think this is now fine. I'm also gonna rename this because I'm getting annoying. Conflicts detected. Sure.
What? Unable to rename certain messages. Okay. Where are you
Where?
using it?
Where is it? Oh, this one. Eh, outbound URI. Fuck it, YOLO. This also may return null if the underlying content provider returns null or if it crashes. And I'm like, have I lost Ivan? Hey, Ivan, are you alive? Did you fall? Okay. You're getting to the kind of age where someone might get worried if you disappear, you might have just, fallen down.
I don't want to amuse you with me blowing my nose live on Twitch.
Why?
I mean, it gets too real.
It's top tier content.
Jesus Christ.
Okay,
I mean,
so
people
should we
making money.
try
Citizens
sharing
making.
shit?
Yeah, let's try to do the thing.
Okay, so
So now the part that we saw before. So this is the URL, Jesus, share stuff that we did in the first episode. So we can share a text to our app.
yeah.
So we register as a text receiver of
Does
sorts.
this work?
Yeah,
Is this all I
should
need
you?
to do?
That's my question. So do we need to just specify the MIME type? How is it? Is it MIME type? Mime type?
Mime? Yeah,
MIME?
like the Pokemon?
I don't. I'm too old for that. The fuck is a Pokemon? I'm a grumpy old man.
That I can tell. Okay, let's try and see if we can share shit to it. Okay, let's not shut up. Let's not do that. Let's go here.
Organize your photos by face.
I mean,
creepy,
organize your
creepy.
photos by feet.
Nice. I mean, that would be. I mean, it's the same algorithm. It's the same machine learning shit,
Yep.
but it's way creepier.
100%. Okay, so there is the nug. It's here.
Okay.
So if I share to it, it doesn't look like it's done anything.
No. I mean, it's supposedly.
You should have printed new intent, but no.
No.
Nope.
Okay. Oh, new intent received.
It might be like a stack, like a launch mode thing.
Check the URL thing. I mean, the URL activity was working, right? So, what do we have there?
Nothing.
Exported true. We have a label send default.
Oh, maybe there was the.
But check the activity. Check the other activity.
Yeah,
How was the?
Okay, this can be null. So first of all, we need to do return.
Okay, but you should still see the new intent received.
Yes, but I suspect that if the app is not running, actually, let me open logcat again. If the app is not running, then if I do the share, yeah, it doesn't do shit. So we might need to call it, because I seem to remember we are explicitly calling it here. Let me see. Oh yeah, we are.
Okay. Oh, well, that makes sense. So.
Oh yeah,
wait, why don't we?
Yeah. Let me extract this again. Oh yes, no keyboard shortcuts.
Well, that's super weird, by the way. Extracted is. I love it.
Handle intent. Okay.
Okay,
fine.
so if you run the app,
if I run it now,
you will see new intent received, because that's in the on create, right? So I mean, you have to see it.
Yep. So it should be.
Sure, Sebastian. You have a thumb. Use the thumb.
Like I've tried it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Okay. Man, if this shit wasn't live and was recorded,
Woo!
nobody will ever believe us. Did it just die? The whole launcher
No,
died?
no, I fixed it the hard
Ah,
way,
okay, you fix it. Okay, fair enough.
which is yeah. This
Still,
works now.
it's still okay.
So if I run it now, do we get?
Yeah,
Yay! Why
but
is it
you
called
get
twice?
two. No, because can you close the app? I think it's one is because you open the app.
Yeah, but that's shit.
No, no, no. But how the world was? I mean, is it? Should we check if the intent?
Oh,
How
I know what you mean. Okay, no, yes, no.
intent dot something,
Uh,
right? Intent.
okay,
One is you clicked on the launcher. One is we opened the app because we shared through the app. So it has to be
okay.
this.
I mean, I
Otherwise, I'm
could
gonna just
also.
gonna flip the whole table and just call it a day. Okay.
Okay, let's clear everything and try
Okay.
again.
Now, if you share it, intent send. Okay. So that's the thing that we can discriminate, because if you close the app again and you just click on the launcher icon, it should give you another intent.
Um,
Yeah, main. Okay, so that's how we
yeah,
can discriminate. Because otherwise, I was like, no, I'm really too old for this. It's important. I remember there was something, so you need to do. Well, once again, if else, but there is a intent. What, an intent name or something? Or was it
action.
action? Send, I guess.
Yeah,
Return.
so we don't do shit.
Otherwise, do
Okay,
your thing. Okay.
and but this doesn't seem to get cold, or maybe it does, and I just filtered that out, which might be.
Thread.
Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let's run again.
Can you configure the run configuration to go to logat right away when you launch the app? Because this thing is making me
I
uncomfortable.
had disabled it, but yeah, sure.
Sorry. I mean, but because you're constantly clicking on logat no
I'm
matter
also
what.
extremely annoyed that I don't seem to be able to set the font size.
Settings may be overridden by editor config.
Fuck off, editor config. No,
Code
but
style. Code
the
style.
problem was like console. That doesn't help. Console
Font.
font.
Use console font instead of default. No. Okay.
Mm,
Size.
no, because this is the default. Is the what?
The default is just JetBrains Mono 13.
Yeah, but it looks like for some reason the
It's smaller,
logcat doesn't
way
get
smaller.
zoomed. When I do
Hmm?
zoom IDE, oh,
Oh no.
now it does.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now, let's do this. Let's try again.
New intent. Send.
Okay, we have the intent, but we don't get any further than that. So,
But can you? Why are you printing picker? Because you're picking the picker activity.
what?
You are filtering by picker.
Yeah, it's fine. It's just everything happens in the
Yeah,
picker
yeah, no,
activity.
no, yeah, yeah, no, no. That was. I was just thinking aloud. No, I don't think. So,
So what I'm
Are we collecting the thing? Should we collect the flow to actually make it run?
it is theoretically. I can also do on start.
Okay. So how does the flow on the launching work? Should launch right away? I mean, should it run right away? I usually do collect for because that's how I end up using it. So I'm not familiar with this syntax.
That's how you're technically supposed to act on flows. I mean, you can also collect them, but it's the same thing. Okay, so we got an intent and returning because it's not a send intent, which is fine. Now we can get rid of this, go back here, and before we start that, we can go back here.
I'm
Oh,
dead.
look, this
Okay.
motherfucker, it
So
has reset the zoom again.
but I see I'm alive. I'm dead.
Oh, I
So
know why. Prob, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. It should. Yeah, it does. I
here
am
you.
alive again. So this is restarting.
So it's the on each that doesn't get there. Maybe we only get nulls.
Maybe. Maybe.
So where are you writing
So if I
the?
get the intent, doesn't fucking say anything.
Yeah,
Um,
print the data. Print the data. Print the intent data. Because we are putting the intent data in the current URI. Print the intent data.
okay. Let's see.
So I expect on the first run to be null. Here you go.
Yep.
Try to share something. I'm gonna just swear so hard. I know.
You can feel it coming.
Fucking hell. Okay, so it's not in the data. Maybe it's it's an extra somewhere because it
I
says
am I
has.
am so annoyed.
Oh, don't be. Maybe it's in print the whole thing. I mean, extras is what, a map or something? It's a map, right?
No, it's a bundle.
Whatever. Can we
I
do a dot values or for each whatever bullshit you? Can you do like a? Don't we have a put all, get all? Get all should give you what, like
no. It's just
all? I mean,
it's
I don't. I disagree. There
no.
is a put all.
Yeah, but there is no get all.
That bullshit. I mean, all key set contains no
No, so this is what you do. Okay, okay, fuck it. Fuck it.
print all.
I'm just gonna write it.
Oh, this is how libraries come to life, right?
Yeah.
The annoyed people. Build string. Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna do key set dot for
Ooh.
key. Now the problem is, right, yeah. If this is null,
Return to hell.
turn.
Return null? What are you returning? Okay, return. No?
Oh, yeah, it's this at until return. Da, da, da. Do you wanna? I can also print if you want.
Yeah, sure. Give it a try.
So append
But build string, what are you building? Like
Okay.
it's a string builder?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's just a slightly nicer way of
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
it.
no, but you are so fancy. I will just do
I'm
plus
a
plus plus
caveman. I do cave, and I'm
I
a
don't care.
man.
I don't care. I will just do plus 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 until the end of days. And then I say, "Oh man, you're wasting so much performance here." And I was like, "Man, what the fuck? We have a rover on Mars. Give me a break."
Okay, so the problem is that we have the keys. I
Yes,
guess I can do
I I can do
append.
I can still do Android, Mike, but I'm also very angry about it.
Is there like a get whatever the fuck? Get deer. That's bullshit.
Get deer or get
Get
elk or
long.
get boar.
I don't think there's a way to print things. As in you have to try them. There is no
I
get like object or get any. It's just you need to know the type.
No, there is get, and you get
Is
an
there? Oh,
any.
there is. Ah,
The YOLO version of an
yeah.
Allagon
I
any.
just wanted the yellow version. Obviously, it's deprecated.
Is it?
I use
Can I
type
get
safe
it picked up?
specific
What?
APIs. I just want to fucking print that.
Well, I'm very happy that I'm not the only old man yelling at cloud today.
I'm not yelling at clouds. I'm yelling at specific choices.
Oh man.
I'm sure there was a good reason at the
Yeah, of
time.
course. I mean, if you ask Chet and Roman, there was definitely
They will
a
have a
good.
reason for that. I don't
Yeah,
care.
sure. I still disagree after 15 years. I really don't.
Okay.
So I'm alive. Data contains like a gazillion
Focus
things.
component info. Oh, I'm stupid.
Right.
It's fine. It's fine. So I'm just gonna do it again. Ta-da!
Look at
Okay.
that.
So we get a component info.
Oh, that's a URI.
We get a
Here you go.
string, and
That's a
this
URI.
this is the fucking thing.
But
Okay.
you need to bring the key because you don't know how to call it. So yes, that's actually $10. $10 is called URI.
It's most likely called URI, but
or or default.
let's see. Has it launched it? Maybe. Maybe.
Oh.
It did not launch it. Thank you very much. Okay. And let's try again.
Uh,
Extra stream.
Mamma mia, like not in a million guesses. Fucking hell. This thing, man, this stuff. It's, it doesn't matter how long you work with this. You will never get it.
Is that a... Now the question is that a string? Is that a URI? That's...
Well, I mean, what if the casting is wrong? Is it gonna blow up or giving you back a null? Bum. So what's the documentation? Only okay. Let's put a safe call there. Just give me a break. Okay. Wait. What was it?
What?
What's the error? Found a string. Okay, there. Get string makes sense. Okay. Uh. Ooh. Empty. Okay.
I mean, we can try.
Sure. Worst case scenario blows up. But do you also have like a get URI instead of get string? I mean, there were like a gazillion get something. Maybe.
There is no get URI.
Okay.
I did check, and like intent.extras get URI.
Well,
No,
there's a
it might be like
there's
it's
a
either a
full
string
code.
or a parcelable of
Well, there is
type
a
URI. Let's see if the documentation says anything. A URI holding a stream of data
similar.
associated to the intent. Used with action sent to supply the data being sent.
Fair enough. So, oh, I mean,
Let's see.
you should be able to parse it. Last
If it's a
famous words.
string,
That's famous words.
blam!
Boom. Class cast exception.
I fucking told you.
What was it? What it cannot be cast to string and parcel lazy value. What the fuck is parcel lazy value? What are you doing, Sebastian? What's this thing?
I'm doing God's work.
Wow, this thing exists only yesterday. So, which version do you have?
Fuck
No,
off.
no, no. But this is. Hey, wait. This is
That's fine.
deprecated. So
It's
what they're
deprecated because you need to do what? Because you need to use the one that doesn't fucking exist in previous versions.
yes. Yes, I'm so tired. Anyway,
I mean, there might be like a intent compat or something like that.
I think you need to install some library.
Get parcelable extra. There you go. To be fair, there is this.
Yeah, so this is doing the
God's
work for
work.
you. Is doing the work for you on any version.
Theoretically.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you show me implementation? Because it's a bunch of if else. Okay, fair enough.
It's an if else.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's a useful if else, so I take it. It's the discoverability problem. The discoverability is the problem. Why this thing is not an extension function on what we were using before?
Isn't there something
But
like intent get extras? I used to. Yeah. I mean, this is intent get extras is what we're doing, but yeah, it's nice that it can download sources. Excellent.
run.
I'm also not entirely sure whether we were running it already or not, so I'm just gonna run it again just in case. Okay, fuck off. And this goes here. Haha!
Look at that.
It's an
Okay.
image. It's an
So now
image.
it's an image, so it's an image right away. That's good.
Yeah.
So now if you try to send it there,
Pizza. It does, however,
oh,
have the geolocation.
okay. Why? Because we are not using the picker. We are reading right away from the content
Yep.
resolver. So now
it's the time.
Shit got real. Start removing the things. Wow, this thing was actually good.
Yeah. That
So
long.
what's the name of the thing?
0.
It's in the middle of the fucking ocean. Where is it?
I need to. I want to check if, because I seem to remember there was no way to
No, there's
remove
0.0.
it.
I think it's like a
Remove
no, you
attribute.
Okay.
But there is like I need to get
private.
the list of
It's private.
attributes.
I think it's private. Is it?
Oh, it's private. Yeah.
Well, I mean, look what it's doing, and we do the same thing. For fuck's sake, it's doing a for loop. Yeah, I think we can make it public, Sebastian. I'm pretty sure you can build an extension function. Let's make an extension function that does it for everybody. Oh man, this thing is so nice.
Because the problem is that if I do, I mean, I can just set it to null, I guess. Does it do that? So if I add a tag and then blah, 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 blah,
This is crazy.
blah, blah, blah.
How many lines is this thing?
Yeah, it's that. It's that.
Man.
It's fine. So what I need to do now is I need to copy all of this and
man.
clear them all. So this would be set attribute, no altitude. Set attribute. Yay. Is there a constant? Maybe.
What do you mean? Like a constant string, Sebastian? I mean, if they're using a string.
You would be surprised.
Fair enough.
No, I think that the string might just be in line by the compiler.
Ah, fair enough. Okay, so latitude ref. Try GPS latitude. Or just latitude. Yeah, you go.
Why not both?
I think you need both, one after another.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an extension function.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, this is how library are born.
Exif interface dot clear
GPS
tags,
data.
and this takes in a vararg.
Ah, look at the fanciness.
And then it does tag name dot for it's actually tag names. And then this is set attribute tag to null. Okay. And now the other thing I want to do is create val exif interface dot
Nice, I like it.
Yay! And now we need to get all of them
there,
like this.
But you only need the exif interface ones, right? Okay.
Yeah. But now I can do
comma
this.
So it's like so it's ref. Huh? What was? Why is complaining?
Because
those are not strings. Are they string?
No, it's because it wants me to create a new one, I guess, every time.
Okay. So that's ref, and then there is longitude.
I am so gonna do all of this.
Fair enough. Then there's longitude ref, and then dest and dest ref.
Okay.
And
then
what else?
There is. Sure.
You have anything like position or something?
Altitude.
Do you get the list? Can you go in there and check? I mean, we have like
GPS stat. I'm just gonna dump all of this.
Yeah.
Now the question is,
can you click?
Yes.
Okay, there is a bit of magic IntelliJ. This is some serious keyboard foo live on Twitch, ladies and gentlemen. My shit is serious. I love it.
Okay, so I am going to just paste them here.
I remember the first time that Sebastiano Scotti.
Yep.
He showed me like the next selection, the thing that you just did. I think is like Alt J or Option J or some. I don't remember the shortcut on every, but it just changed my life. I was like,
Yep,
oh yeah, you can do this, and then you just click and
it's
gets
very
to the next
convenient.
one, and I was like, holy shit. I was in Berlin, and that's the beauty of working with people that are smarter than you. That you learn so much. No, man, I'm telling you, if you are, I'm a huge believer that if you are the smarter person in the room, you are in the wrongest room. You are in a wrong room.
That I tend to agree.
It's I you know I'm way more comfortable knowing that I don't know enough when I'm in a situation and I can learn instead of being, oh yeah, I'm the best one, and everybody's gonna rely on me, and I'm like, fuck no, I want to go to holiday. I want to be, I want to be the replaceable, right? So I don't want to be necessary, on that point, from that point of view. So I want to be able to learn. And then when you ask me, why do you quit so much? And why I'm not quitting now? That's a good question because I'm in the right room. I mean, by the way, I work with Mark Ellison. Fuck me, right? That's how can I ever quit? So I don't. Yeah, no puedo quitar el trabajo. No puedo. I think salir. It could be salir. No puedo salir el trabajo. Maybe I'm making up some Spanish. But
It
yeah,
sounds
uh,
somewhat plausible.
why not? So yo quiero mucho trabajar con Mark Ellison en la documentación de Android. Oh man. So
So,
where are we?
I've tried to remove all of them. Actually, this
Okay.
we don't need, but let's see.
Yes.
So I'm gonna share
Oh,
it with
Sebastian, look at
this.
that spread operator, Sebastiano. Fancy.
Bam.
The,
Yeah, the
the,
location is still there, so something is
what?
very fucked.
No, but are you?
I
How does
am, but I guess
are
this is
you?
where we go and debug, or it
No,
didn't.
but are you returning the right thing? Are you returning the thing? How does it work?
No, it's mutating
Ah, it's in place. It's changing it
this.
in place.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Okay.
So I'm just gonna debug and see what's going wrong. Okay, so let's say we do this again. Why is it not?
Huh?
What?
Did he miss the try again? Is it the thing attached, the bagger attached? Oh yeah,
I'm
it's
just
still
gonna
there. Still there, Sebastian.
uninstall it. Is it uninstalled? Yes, it is. Let's try again. Let's see if it works now. Oh yeah, I closed the debugger. That's a good point. Um,
How was it? Oh no, we had somebody that was doing that. That was attaching the debugger
yep, that was me.
after. Oh yeah, you were the fancy one in the developer option. Oh, well, I thought it was a guest. Talking about smart people. I'm so used to get smart people from
There you
outside.
go.
Select the bug app. That's cool.
Okay, and now we can go back here, share it again, and it didn't give
No,
a shit.
no, no. But I don't care about the debugger. Just print it, Sebastiano. You don't need any debugger fanciness. You just need the print line. I mean,
Oh, yeah,
where?
I was missing that. That would explain why.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And this, and this, and this. Ta-da! Okay. So, if I go in
Metadata.
here,
Okay.
and then I go in here, so the tag is GPS version ID. So let's see. It's not that. It's not that. It's not that.
Where are you going?
What? I don't know why it's doing that.
Is it
So
related to some version or some? Why is not downloading the source
I don't
code?
know. I'm just very annoyed. So it's doing exif tag. So we do know. I think the problem is it doesn't let you write them or something. It's like, what is this?
But we can write the pizza ones. So I mean,
Wait.
you mean the
This
GPS?
is going through all of the tags? What?
That attribute. But why is going through all
Okay.
the tags?
I don't know. So I don't understand what this is doing. Like, why is it doing this? And what is this hash map?
Oh,
What?
okay. Yeah, not having the source code. This is decompiled, right? So it's kind of.
Yeah, it looks like it's doing some shit.
Oh, here you go. This
Okay,
is the
so
GPS stuff.
when I is 2,
Yeah.
okay,
So
and now I do have the tag. Okay, fine. Now this should be fine. Okay. Um, the value on past is null. So what is happening is it should be removing that. Does M attributes contain that?
yeah,
I forgot what the tag was already.
it was the longitude ref and the latitude ref and the
Oh, this
latitude.
one. No, this was version ID. Okay.
Yeah, okay, but
I'm just
can you?
checking. Version ID. Okay, we have it. So if I do this, thank you very much.
Source code does not match bytecode. Okay, I mean sure.
Let's say we get in here. So now we're removing the GPS latitude ref.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you go to
out
the
of
remove?
curiosity, let's see if the other one has been removed.
The
Now,
one the one that we didn't remove.
the one that we what?
Oh yeah, you removed all of them. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I'm removing all of them. What are you using to
The
show the
shortcut
shortcuts
overlay.
overlay? It's just a setting.
No, it's a presentation. It's a plugin.
No, it's not a
It's,
plugin anymore. It's bundled since
ooh, wow,
23.3, I think.
nice.
I think.
So did you buy from the poor person or now he is
No, it was
jobless?
someone that worked at JetBrains, I think, and
Ah yeah, well okay. You know what?
they
They
just
they they,
decided that it was useful and
they,
just
they
bundled
just
it.
told them Pedro just bring the code
Yep.
in, and now you maintain it because now it's yours.
Okay, so if I get out of here
Yeah, but
and
look
then
at the
I
set attribute.
get out of here, I said I get out of here. Okay, good.
Can you? Okay, let's look at the metadata.
I know what's going on.
Well,
We might have forgotten to do this.
Hey, man. By the way, you need to do it on a background thread because I think this thing is storing it somewhere.
Yeah, but we're already in
Okay,
IO,
whatever. Okay. Well,
so
go figure. If you don't save shit, nothing gets saved.
who would have thought?
I mean, code nowadays, right?
Yep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a breakpoint there, restart the thing. Okay. Uh,
Boing.
I need to attach the debugger. Doop doop doop. Chop chop chop. Perfect. So now
Okay.
what I can do is just essentially do the same thing. Just load the file into EXIF interface, so I can inspect what has been. Wait, what was it? Oh yeah, just this file. Okay, attributes. Yeah, there's none.
Nice.
Wahoo!
Okay, so can you? Or also the TMP at the end is like a savage TMP. I
It
really
doesn't
like
even have
that.
an extension. It's just
No, it
like
doesn't
fuck
deserve.
you.
It doesn't deserve an extension. Not even an extension.
We have a new extension. Dot
Yeah.
blar.
Good luck opening
That's how
it
you
with a file.
pronounce it. Dot blar.
Ah, good luck opening it with a file editor. Anyway, uh,
That's fine.
now if you just share it to the our fancy app,
Okay,
we
okay.
should see the thing, right?
Yes, let me.
You need to.
Just because I changed the name and I want to make sure that it still works.
Uh-huh. I mean, you need to also disable the back. I mean, it's gonna stop. Then you can just run it.
It's fine. It's fine. You can just do this. So this. Ba, ba, ba.
Okay.
There you go. Attach. Attach. Attach.
Touch.
Uh,
Can
okay,
you
this
click
is
the
the
thing?
second share, so it goes to this one.
Okay, wait.
And yes,
Nice. So okay, if you set it to null,
it's
it gets a
gone.
no.
It's
Oh,
gone.
gone, baby. There is also altitude. Can you check altitude and other things?
I think they all roll into that. Can you? Ooh, I can set the location. I'm in Florence.
Ooh.
No, I'm in Sassuolo. No, wait,
Ah.
that's not what I meant to do. Um, is this? Don't care.
Okay.
Ooh, Borgo Pinti. I'm fancy. I'm from Florence.
Fancy Italy, fancy Italy.
um, okay. So if we wanted to remove all of the tags, I guess that would be the same thing, but with all of them.
With a longer list. Okay,
Yeah.
makes sense. No, but we started with, the idea was to remove the GPS ones,
Yeah.
so it works.
Cool. I think we're
Exactly.
done. It's
Yeah.
also dinner time, so
Yeah, no, but this is legit. So
yeah.
are we doing the threading decently right now? Yeah, right?
Define decently.
No, I mean, is it running on, background threads and the minimum amount of IO? Yeah, we checked, right?
Yeah. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, fine.
What are you doing?
I wanted to see if I could do with the mouse the selecting the like rotating the map like
The,
this, but
uh-huh,
turns out this is only the zoom,
uh-huh.
and also it doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
I think I broke it.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. I mean, first time that it happens, right? So,
Now it works again. Yeah,
work of
that's
in,
fine.
work of
That's
in,
fine.
work of.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
So,
We're
okay,
done.
this,
I'm
yeah,
done.
we're done.
I'm
This is
done.
cool. I was actually looking at the thing, and it's legit. I mean,
Yeah.
we can receive an image, and we can share an image, and we strip the GPS data when we share out the image, or excuse me, we can pick a file from the gallery and we share it, and even in that case we remove the GPS information. That
Yes.
was actually, there is a tool there. There is a
First
utility
try.
app. Yeah, there is a. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but this thing works.
Yeah.
Uh,
The next step is
yeah. What do you want to do next? I mean, because
showing some UI while that's happening, moving it to a service, I guess.
okay, so service, circular progress bars, and
Just gonna write it down in the code.
yeah, but the service part is gonna be
Shouldn't
like a
be.
foreground service or like a
Yeah,
work
I
manager
guess.
kind
Yeah.
of thing. Work manager or
We
or
can do
foreground
work
service.
manager. Probably work manager makes
What
sense.
work manager? Work managers. Who's working on work manager now?
I mean, you are the person that I know that has the most experience with it.
No, that's the most pain.
I didn't
Well,
say
no,
positive
no,
experience.
no.
I said
I,
experience.
not even bare. No, 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 no. I mean, uh, yeah, I can't remember. I can't remember who's working on work manager right now. But yeah, that's actually cool. Work manager service. Some progress indicator.
Yeah, I think the next, yeah, and then maybe
Even
step three
like
after the
preview.
service or work manager, after the UI, is adding a delay and showing some ads.
Nice, nice. This thing is too fast. Let's put an
Yeah,
interstitial there. Fuck that.
it,
No,
it
no, no,
it
no.
it should
But
take at least 5 seconds.
no, but no, no. Let's not do ads. Well, let's do a subscription. So
You're
we do
gonna,
a.
oh, actually, well, I don't know. I don't know how easy subscriptions are to handle. But what I was thinking is
Uh
it
huh.
would be cool if you had in-app purchase and you can purchase packs of anonymized pictures. So you buy like a
Oh
hundred
yeah.
pictures and you can
Yeah, yeah,
anonymize a
yeah.
hundred.
In-app purchases, it's okay. I mean, the whole billing management. The billing manager is okay until it's very painful. So, but there is like a threshold. But yeah, we can definitely try, because even from oh, we're gonna do this on Twitch live. There is very not much stuff. I mean, because nothing. Yeah, the testing part, because nothing will work until we put the app on Play Store. So
Yeah.
we will really need to fake it until you make it in a pretty much nonsense way, because
The
it's just going to be a bunch of interfaces.
no, I'm already bored.
No, it's just boring.
No,
It's
and then
already
also,
boring.
have they started enforcing the thing that you need like 20 people?
Oh yeah, no, you don't want to go there. I mean, putting this thing on the Play Store is gonna take more than building it.
Yeah.
I guarantee you, because me, Aurelio, and myself, we worked on something on the side. It's just painful. But I won't complain, because iOS it's even worse. So I won't complain. I mean, kind of won't complain. I mean, but
You will
okay, like
complain, but a bit less loudly.
yeah, I will kind of just shit, right? But also very very happy that it happens on the too much pain. Yeah, right. I know. I mean, yeah, but that's how it is. Um, yeah, Sebastiano, thank you, grazie for this. We have definitely a couple other um, tasks that we can do.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, Mike, it's brutal. I mean, it's
It is
brutal.
brutal. On one hand, I kind of understand why you would need that sort of rule, from the play side is like, oh, we need to make sure that there are actual humans using the app. On the other hand, or at least, you know, making it more difficult to spam bullshit. On the other hand, for actual well-intentioned people, it's just annoying.
No, but it's not even bad or good or annoying. You just need to sit down for like a moment and just think about all the people that you know that has an @Gmail account, and they can bear with you for a second, and you just get a list of people, 20 friends, family, relatives, or whatever bullshit, and now you have 20 testers. Yeah, they are just gonna receive weird updates and things like that. It's absolutely pointless to the quality of my app side, because it's just, oh yeah, I just work around the problem because I'm a solo developer and I want to ship this thing as soon as possible. You are slowing me down. Fuck me. I want to build a website now. We can sell testers. Yeah, Aurelio. I don't think that's how it works. I mean, we can try and we can get banned forever. So, I mean, but yeah. So, if you, excuse me, if you enjoy our content, remember that you can support us for free on Twitch if you have an Amazon Prime subscription. Just check the link in the description of the video. And you can subscribe every month for free to our channel, and we will get money for this kind of stuff. Sebastiano just created new stickers that we are printing because he's going around for conferences, and we always meet new people around. We have also Google developer groups in the area. We have giveaways, so if you want to support us, you can buy our stickers. Look at this thing, this is perfect.
Buying stickers allows us to like just make more stickers.
Make more stickers. It's like that's how it works. The
Yes.
more you buy, the more we can print. And you can also buy T-shirts and hoodies and like everything, mugs on our merch store. Yeah, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Share it on Twitter, Facebook, Mastodon, or whatever. Yeah, I'm not calling it X. Its mother call it Twitter. I'm calling it Twitter forever, man. Don't get me started. The camera died, Sebastiano, but I think we are good to go and
The
say,
camera is telling us it's time to go.
let's go. Beautiful people, enjoy your evening. See you next week with another guest.
Yeah, next week we have Eric Elman, and we're gonna be doing some Bluetooth reverse engineering live.
Because we like pain. We like pain so much. Then we were
fun.
like, why do we even bother with compose and buttons and animation when we can reverse engineer some Bluetooth crappy things that we bought on AliExpress? That's it. Yeah. See you next week, people.
I'm taking a screenshot of myself in the fucked up camera situation. I'm so gonna use that in the thumbnail.
Oh man. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.